In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your OpenAI API key to Cursor for enhanced AI features. Let's start inside the Cursor editor. Open the app and look for the gear icon that opens settings. Depending on your version, you'll see it in the bottom left or the upper right corner. Click it to bring up the settings panel. This is where all of your AI-related preferences live, so it's worth remembering how to get here. In the settings sidebar, select the Model section. This area controls which models Cursor uses and how it connects to external providers. If you don't immediately see models, make sure you're in the main settings list and not a project-specific panel. Once you're in models, scroll down until you find the API keys section. It's typically collapsed to keep things tidy. Expand it to reveal the different providers. You'll see a dedicated spot for the OpenAI key. Now, locate the input field labeled for OpenAI. Paste your valid OpenAI API key into this box. You can obtain your key from the OpenAI website. When you paste, make sure you include the entire key and avoid any leading or trailing spaces. For security, treat this key like a password. Don't share it, don't check it into source control, and avoid posting screenshots that reveal it. Next, click the Verify button beside the field. Cursor will quickly talk to OpenAI to confirm that the key is valid. This usually takes just a moment. If verification doesn't pass, double-check that the key is current, copied in full, and typed exactly as issued. Also ensure your network or VPN isn't blocking the request. When the key is successfully validated, you'll see a confirmation message in the interface. That message means the key has been accepted and is now enabled inside Cursor. You don't need to restart the editor, the change applies right away. From here, you can start using Cursor's AI features immediately. The editor will route standard chat models through your OpenAI key, which can improve reliability and give you more control over usage. Try asking the chat panel for help with a tricky function. Request a refactor, or generate tests from a code snippet. You'll get the same streamlined workflow you're used to, now powered by your own API access. If you ever need to update or rotate your key, come back to this exact spot in Models, open the API keys section, and replace it. That's it. You've connected your OpenAI API key to Cursor, verified it, and enabled enhanced AI features, all in just a few clicks.